It's Ryan Moyer, and welcome to my newest listing here in Serrano in Dorado Hills. I'm really excited for you to take a look at this one. Come check it out. So this is a semi-custom home, and the features in this house are really next world. There's over $100,000 in upgrades, and you'll see it just about at every place you look. So a couple of the things I wanted to point out as we're going through here. This house has a LED gas fireplace, you have GE monogram appliances, and hardwood floors. This is the real stuff.
I remember being tender to the touch back in the day when I cared too much. Before I knew the difference between love and lust. I remember calling men up just for fun, but crying every night because I felt so lonely. I was getting my hopes up over this one homie.
It's been a pleasure showing you this beautiful, one-of-a-kind property. If you have any questions whatsoever, just reach out to me. This one won't last long.
Daddy leaving and the need for feeling like he could believe in God. That was me. I felt the same way. I wanted nothing more.